Morphy and Morphy Richards brings to you Primero, the ultimate drip coffee maker. Makes easily up to 5 to 6 cups of coffee in one shot. Comes with a long charging cable. Comes with a section to pour water. Has a water indicator. Comes with a filter section, and the best part is the filter is removable. That means very easy to clean. The glass kettle is easily removable, looks very chic, and comes with a warming plate to keep your coffee warm all the time. And we get a spoon for pouring coffee powder as well. Get your brand name printed on the top, or else get a whole customized sleeve for your brand on the box. So go ahead and make your coffee lover employees' lives even more easier with Primero by Morphy Richards and OffeeNeeds.com.